Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to create this look. So how does a cabin crew dress up for their flight? How you can go for your interview? Any tips for makeup? Any tips for skincare or hair care or hairstyle? Everything will be covered in this video. So please watch till the end. In the end there is a very important makeup tip which I have provided. So let's start the video. First we'll start with the hairstyle. You can also do this makeup for your interview or hairstyle for your interview because this is a basic hairstyle of Indigo which we as a cabin crew do. I don't have any mirror near me. I'm just using my phone's camera to record myself. कभी आगे कभी पीछे आके मैं शायद देखूं मेरे को क्योंकि मुझे अपने आप को दिख नहीं रहा है सही से. So tie a sleek ponytail. You can do a middle partition or you can do a side partition. You can get a hairband like this or you can make a band out of a fake hair extension. This one is a fake hair extension. Now we're clipping it over here and I guess this hairstyle hardly takes 10 minutes. Now you can braid your hair if you want. I'll do a regular bun. Secure your bun with these type of pins. If you feel that this band is somewhere loose or it might fall off, you can use such type of small pins now, not the bigger ones. There's small pins also, U-pins, and you can just secure this band over here. Which bun net will you use? Is this zero bun net. If I can show you, this is a zero net. It's like this. So you'll use this type of. For the makeup हमें एक स्टेप फॉलो करना होता है जो कि है क्लीनिंग, टोनिंग एंड मॉइस्चराइजिंग. तो क्लीनिंग हो गया जो कि फेस क्लीन करना पड़ता है. टोनिंग हो गया, कोई भी टोनर यूज करो क्लीनिंग के बाद ताकि आपका पोर्स या कुछ भी हो वो छुप जाए. एंड देन यू नीड टू यूज अ मॉइस्चराइजर. सो नाउ आई विल यूज अ मॉइस्चराइजर which is from Dot & Key. After using a moisturizer, use a sunscreen which will also protect you from sun damage and also protect your skin a better way. So I have taken my sunscreen. It is also from the brand Dot & Key. जब तक आप लिपस्टिक अप्लाई करते हो तब तक आप मेकअप करते रहोगे और आपका लिप्स ड्राई हो जाएगा. So better using a lip balm. जब तक आप अपना मेकअप करो आपके लिप्स हाइड्रेटेड रहे. दिस इज अ लिप बाम फ्रॉम Laneige. अब हमारा स्किन केयर इज ऑलमोस्ट डन. अब हम मूव ऑन करते हैं मेकअप के ऊपर. If you have a lot of dark spots or dark circles or pigmentation, please go for a concealer. So go for a full coverage makeup. अगर धीरे धीरे आपका स्किन टेक्सचर इंप्रूव होता है तो यू कैन यूज अ लाइट कवरेज फाउंडेशन और अ फेस टिंट. सो आई विल गो फॉर दिस फेस टिंट फ्रॉम Maybelline. सब कुछ डिपेंड कर रहा है कवरेज के ऊपर. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपका एक फेस टिंट पूरा आपका ब्लेमिशेस, आपका पोर्स, आपका पिगमेंटेशन कवर कर सकता है तो गो फॉर अ फेस टिंट. मेन थिंग इज यू नीड टू बी वेरी प्रेजेंटेबल ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू और इन द फ्लाइट. Now we'll go with the loose powder which is again from Maybelline Fit Me. It's a very good loose powder guys, you can go for it. Not heavy, not cakey and ये even tone देगा आपके फेस को. मेकअप को उतरने नहीं देगा इतना जल्दी. So you can go for it. The most important and crucial part of the makeup is your eyes. Guys, I must tell you, do a very good eye makeup क्योंकि eyes and lips is something which will define your makeup. Go for a subtle, not very heavy, but a good eye makeup. They should feel that okay, her eyes are shining. Use this eyeshadow palette जो कि Nykaa से है. This is, oh my god, this is in this shade 01 Night Out. I will use these two shades. ऊपर जो shades है ना and अच्छे से eyes में blend करेंगे हम. I use this Rene Midlight Black Kohl. I'll not use it as a kajal, but I'll use it to line my eyes like. Now I'll go with this mascara which is from Essence. There's a technique which will make your lashes look more prettier. which is first brush it from up to down and then down to up. You can see the difference in both the eyes. Now you can feel a little difference. Like ये आती है हमारी blush की. मैं ये blush use कर रही हूँ from Mars Cosmetic. Mostly go for peach या pink makeup की तरफ ही जाओ, which will make your look subtle. And don't overdo your blush, guys. We'll go for the highlighter, which is again from Insight Cosmetics, and this is a cosmic powder in the shade 06. This is a creamy highlighter and I like this highlighter a lot. It is amazing. I've been using this highlighter since a year now. You can see my makeup is almost done, but something is missing out, right? कुछ तो मिस हो रहा है. क्या मिस हो रहा है? Is the lipstick. अब आप लोग देखना, एक लिपस्टिक आपके फेस पे इतना ग्लो, इतना कमाल कैसे ला सकता है? So use the right shade of lipstick. A red lipstick or a dark lipstick will go very well with this makeup. आप nude भी पहन सकते हो. Elsewhere, Indigo uses a darker lipstick. So if you wear a darker lipstick, which will your face को और bright बना देगा. First we lip line the lips. So what I do is for our lipstick to stay a little longer, ये lip liner को ही थोड़ा सा fill in करो आपके lips पे. Now I will show you after applying the lipstick. Now I'll be using this lipstick, Nykaa All Day Matte Bride Crew. ये lipstick थोड़ा सा dry है, so आपको शायद थोड़ा सा problem हो initial में, but this color is Now you all tell me, do you find a difference in the face? Yes, of course. So lipstick is an important role in the makeup. Now the most important thing is the accessories which you use. I'll show you what accessories and how to carry it. So it allows us to wear rose gold and silver accessories. So if you are going with rose gold, make sure everything is rose gold. Earrings भी rose gold हो, आपके घड़ी भी rose gold हो, आपने अब कोई बैंगल पहना है वो भी रोज गोल्ड. इज वेयरिंग अ स्कार्फ. So guys, this was the makeup look which we had created today, and I hope you like it. You have learned something from this. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more such videos.